How's it going, everybody? David here from Cantu Selects, and today I wanted to take a field trip down to my basement for a good reason. I've been a homeowner now for 12 years. My wife and I built this house 12 years ago, and for the first time we have had to replace our sump pump in 12 years. Fortunately, we didn't have any flooding that caused that to happen. It just aged over time, and then honestly, it wouldn't shut off. It ran constantly to the point where it just kind of stopped working. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to buy the exact same one because it was so good for so long. So today's product review is on the Zoeller sump pump. So I've never installed one before, so it was very simple. Went straight to YouTube, of course, when in doubt. And it's literally a matter of buying a 1.5 inch PVC pipe specifically for this one, a coupler, and you're off and running. And obviously some cement for it to connect the pipe to the coupler. So long story short, it's a 1/2 horsepower. It can drain 60 gallons per minute, and it's fully submersible because it's cast iron. So also there's a 9-foot lead cord for it, so you really have some flexibility on where you can plug this in. To give you a little behind the scenes look, this was my old one that I took out. Like I said, she did me well for well over 12 years, and it just kind of stopped working, which you'll have with anything nowadays. So I got the direct replacement for it, and I will give you a look of what that looks like down in the crock. All right, we are on mobile cam now, and we are going down into the crock to see what this looks like. So like I said, I installed this 2 days ago, but it's a direct replacement. You can see there's my battery backup sump pump. That way, if this one ever went bad, that one would kick on. But it's in really good shape. You can see that is where my coupler is cemented onto this PVC pipe, and then that coupler screws right directly into the sump pump. So that's how the water travels up until it gets to that valve. And that valve, what that valve does right here is, this already was in my basement, but you can pick these up at the store if you need a replacement. That valve allows the water to go up and out, but not fall down and back into the crock. So very important, you want to make sure you always have that with you. So it goes up and it goes out of my house. Like I said, very good quality build. That water was from my dehumidifier tube. But like I said, good quality build, and I know that we're in good, safe hands if anything were to go wrong, or if we got too much water in our house. So if you're looking for a reliable sump pump that's going to last for many years, and you don't have to worry about it over time, I highly recommend this product.